Welcome to our Bellroy Tech Kit review. You're looking for a tech kit and you're thinking, is the Bellroy Tech Kit for me? Are we a thing? By the end of this review, you will know the answer to that question. My name's Aaron. The guy behind the camera is Tab. We're Nomads Nation. We do the best backpack and tech kit reviews on the web. So if you carry things, you're gonna love our channel and you should totally subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's start by talking about the overall gist. This is made from Bellroy. Bellroy makes urban, minimalist, everyday carry and travel gear. This tech pouch is made from recycled materials, namely polyester and nylon. The feel itself is like almost a little denim-y, but it should be highly durable. And one thing to be noted about this tech kit is it's hard shell. And for a hard shell, this means two very important things. One, it's gonna keep your gear probably a little bit more safe than like a softer tech pouch. But two, it's also gonna maintain its shape. And with the maintaining of its shape, that means that even if it's bulky, as long as you can keep this closed, it's gonna keep a nice clean profile. We've got Bellroy's subtle yet ever so classy branding right here with this leather tab. And we reviewed a ton of tech pouches and they're all black. We just love Bellroy's color choices. It comes in blue, comes in red. There's a whole bunch of color choices. It depends on what's in stock at any given point in time. Big fan of the blue though. Well, my biggest point of criticism as we're gonna get into this main compartment is the zipper. While sometimes it works well, it can get a little sticky sometimes. It's just like not the most seamless zipper experience. Compare that with like the Aer Slim Pouch, which is just like fast as lightning. This one's just a little bit, it gets a little sticky. But now that we're in, let's talk about the main compartment. The biggest selling point here is the minimalism. There's not a ton in terms of organization, which is great for most of us because not a lot of us travel with a bunch of stuff. On this side, we have a little pen holder on top, nicely branded. And then we have these two mesh pockets and it's great mesh. It's double layered and it's got a real nice elasticity to it. It just feels really smooth and silky. This will be ideal for your bulkier items. Think like a small-ish Bluetooth mouse or possibly a computer charger. Moving on to the middle, we've got this little guy right here. Nice little elasticity to this. Could throw a pen in there, could throw like a small cord in there. And then on the back compartment, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little elastic pockets right here. They vary in size. We've got 1, 2, 3 smaller ones. Those are good for like smaller cords. Think like wired headphones. Then these two bigger ones, Bellroy advertises this as a good spot for cords as well as your AirPods. Nice seamless fit for the pods. And you're like, that's it, you're done, right? Nope, hidden magnetic compartment. I love hidden magnetic compartments. I like the little pull tab right here, makes it easier to access. It's definitely a little bit more of a flatter surface area, so it's good for flatter bits of gear. Think like thinner hard drives, thinner portable batteries, things of that nature. And then over here we have two pockets, one super tiny. I'm not sure what you're supposed to put in there, maybe like a SIM card or an SD card. And then the larger pocket right here, yet again, good for a SIM card or an SD card. And we suspect it's credit card size, is it? Let's find out. Like a glove. So given like the hidden component of this, it's a good spot also to maybe put like some backup credit cards, backup cash, whatever it might be. And then also with the zipper, you'll also see that when this pouch is open, like it can do like one of these, which yet again complicates. You see how like the lining is off and it just kind of continues to complicate the zipping experience. It's not the end of the world. It's just something worth noting. Let's move on to our next section. Does this fit? You're like, what? And by this, I mean our little goodie bucket of tech goods. Let's play! Pretty bulky Bluetooth mouse, Bluetooth headphones, got a very slim, thin hard drive. Let's really bulk it out. I'm gonna throw some hand sanitizer in this pocket as well. We wanna see what we can get away with. Wired headphones when the pods inevitably die, USB. We'll slide a girthy pen in there. Oh yeah. All right, we've loaded it up. Tab, you think it's gonna close?
I think it's not gonna close.
Drum roll, please. Wow. Actually pretty impressive. I did not think that was gonna close either. And as you can see, we loaded this up, but with the hard shell design, it doesn't compromise like the sexiness. It doesn't turn super blobby. Like obviously you can see like a little bit of like a bulge there, but that aside, pretty impressive. Oh, me, am I right? And I gotta say, it looks really clean. Now that I'm looking at it, like we reviewed a lot of tech pouches here, I just kind of like the cleanliness and the tidiness of what's happening right now. Bellroy, you are beautiful. So if you're still here, you're probably like, this is totally the tech pouch for me. And if that is true, and you're gonna make a purchase, we do recommend that you use the first link in the description. That link makes sure that you get the best price, and it also helps to support our channel, which we greatly appreciate. But maybe you're not sold. You're like, nah, it's actually not the pouch for me. I wish that Aaron would give me an alternative recommendation. I will. Right now. You might be thinking, Aaron, I love the minimalism and I love the urbanness and the design, but I just don't want a hard shell because a hard shell is going to create a little bit extra bulk and you don't always need that extra bulk. For you, I'm gonna recommend the Aer Slim Pouch. Smaller, slimmer, malleable, non-hard shell. To watch our full review, check the description and you'll find a link and then you can watch the review. You also might be thinking to yourself, this is cool, but I'm a photographer. If only there was a tech pouch made for photographers. There is, the Peak Design Tech Pouch. See this guy right here? Origami design, really cool, lots of organization. Check out the full review, link in the description. And you also might be thinking to yourself, damn Aaron, all these tech pouches are so bulky, they're so blobby. I wish there was something sleeker, sexier, thinner. Check this guy out, the modern Dayfarer Tech Pouch, super slim, super sexy, and we made a super review. And you can find it super fast in the description. If you found this review useful, the best way to support the Nomads Nation YouTube channel is to hit the like button and subscribe, because we got a bunch of great content and you can know every time that we publish something new. And also let us know in the comments, are you smelling what Bellroy's cooking? Do you already own this pouch and have some thoughts? If so, I really want to hear what you got to say. Your comments help make the internet and this channel a better place so everyone can find the backpack or tech pouch that's best for them. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys next time.